Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. You can choose your favorite kind of yarn and grab your unique crochet hook. And in this video you will see how to crochet cute 6-petal flower with unusual petals. This is my own pattern that I created recently for you. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring, make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of chain spaces. Make a chain, make single crochet. As you can see, I'm removing a long piece of yarn. Then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 2 single crochet into the ring. 1 and 2. As you can see, I'm removing a long piece of yarn. The first one is ready. In total it should be 6 of them. First is ready, let's crochet the second one. Chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2 single crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I'm about to complete this round. It was a round of chain spaces. In total it should be 6 of them. Insert the hook into the ring, make single crochet. Then skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet. Make a slip stitch. So my all 6 chain spaces are ready. Here what I have. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make slip stitch with chain 5 times. Let's count 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5. Continue. Make a chain of 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Make slip stitch with chain 5 times. Let's count 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 chain, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make slip stitch. Here what I have at this point. Then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn the work, insert the hook into the chain space. This is the 3 chain space. Make a slip stitch. Make a chain and turn the work. Work into the chain space. Make slip stitch with chain 9 times. Let's count them. 1 and chain. I will count only slip stitches. 2 and chain. 3 and chain. 4 and chain. 5 and chain. 6 and chain. 7 and chain. 8 and chain. 9 and chain. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Make a slip stitch. And let's stop and look. So my beautiful petal is ready. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. In total it should be 6 of them. I will start the second one and you should work by yourself. I remind you, all information about the tools, useful links and basic stitches could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Make a chain, insert the hook into the chain space, make slip stitch with chain 5 times. 1 and chain. 2 and chain. 3 and chain. 4 and chain. 5 chain of 3, 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch with chain 5 times. 1 and chain. 2 and chain. 3 and chain. 4 and chain. 5 and chain. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make slip stitch. Chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn the work into the chain space, make slip stitch, chain and turn the work. Make slip stitches into the chain space as I did here. Keep working this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 petals. I'm done all my petals. Let's complete this flower with me. Once I have done the last chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet that I worked before. Take the working yarn, pull it through by making slip stitch. And take the working yarn, pull it through like this. I already cut off my yarn. Insert the hook from the back. Take the working yarn, pull it through. I just need to remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower using the sewing needle and the crochet hook. Let's look at my flower. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. Please subscribe to my channel and follow my another social media. Thank you so much for watching. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. All information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. If you don't know how to crochet basic skills, please visit my main channel. The link could be found in the description of this video. This is a very fast project, it could be perfect for beginners. You just need to know how to work with slip stitches, chains, single crochet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!